So if you don't know, since 2015, I started multiple Shopify stores, guys. One of my first Shopify's, geared just for you, went on to make $12.8 million, guys, in 2.5 years, just that one store. And I've had multiple stores after, $1 million store, $1 million store, and I've helped students make $1 million e-commerce journeys themselves, guys. And it's all about finding the right mentor, the right product, the right mastermind, and branding the right product, branding the right idea, the right store. And I've done it so many times over, guys, that I'm looking for more students right now. I got the products, I got the training. I just need the people ready to go, ready to tap in and make this money, guys. So if you're looking for the right product to brand, if you're looking to get into e-commerce and dropshipping, then you found the right place. We're a mastermind, we're believing in each other, and we're teaching online, and we're also got Vegas meetups, Vegas mastermind meetups. So we got a lot going on, and I can't wait to share with you guys more. So click the link below, check it out, guys, and definitely we'll be in touch. Let's build up your e-commerce journey. Let's go.